Good morning mga lods. Papunta kami ng bunker area. Vessel name Jaulang Spirit. Together with the same crew. Doon may 12 kami na pasahero from Jaulang Spirit. So mag-change crew kami. Change crew. So, 12 sila na pasahero lahat. For Jaulang Spirit. So, lahat. Mixed crew to, para mixed crew ata yung mga itong dalawa.
Spirit, Express 1. 1-1 please. Yes. Spirits, Express 1. Good morning. We're now proceeding to you. 1 hour 20 minutes from now we arrive. We have 12 passenger. What up?
Only 12 passenger, correct?
Yes.
Yes, that's correct. 12 passenger.
Yes, prepare.
Also prepare pilot ladder 1 meter above the water, and also midship crane for luggage.
As you approach, we will be preparing. The combination is ready on both the sides, whichever side is better.
Give us
Can you
good
confirm
lead side.
how many crew members you have?
One.
12.
12. Is there another boat or
Yes.
this is it?
Yes, another boat luggage 16.
Another boat will also come. Okay, copy. You approach once you are here, we will see.
Good lead side, sir.
Vessel is at anchor, you come on my starboard side, is a better side.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Just arrived. Jaulang Spirit. Alongside kami mga loads. With 12 crew on signers. Take over to sila. Meron pang Matis. 16 ka crew. So, take over. So, preparing for embarkation of 12 crew. So sila lahat. Yung mga pogi na yung sasamba ngayon. Ha? Ito din ng Matis, change crew din to, 16 crew yun sa kanila. Ito. Daming supply. Meron din doon sa kabila, Joanna M. Kabilang company, Medjani company. As passenger, 12 on signers. So yung Matis, change crew din sila, same crew. So yung barko nila, tanker. Jaulang Spirit. Ito yung mga luggage nila, mga loads. Doon prepare namin para next kami yung dedicate doon sa pagkatapos ng Matis. Tapos na yung operation namin sa Jaulang Spirit.